Good afternoon. My name is Chandramouli, Managing Director of Starrag India. Starrag India is a 100% subsidiary of Starrag Group, Switzerland. And Starrag Group is a 150-year-old company. And this company has got 10 brands of machine tools to manufacture the parts from various industries. It could be a power generation industry like steam turbine. It could be aerospace industry. It could be a transport industry like automobiles, tractors and trucks. It could be even any other industry which can make any parts out of a metal by removing chips out of hard metal. We also make machines to manufacture jewelry, to manufacture watch parts, and also medical implants which go into the human body. So there is no application in the world which cannot be produced by a machine tool which is not available in the Starrag group of brands. We have 10 brands, and one of the brands, WMW, is manufactured in Bangalore, and Bangalore has got a world-class facility with an investment of 70 crores rupees, and the factory was inaugurated in January 2013 to produce horizontal machining center of the WMW brand. We have already placed more than 27 machines of the WMW brand in the Indian market, and our first leading customer was in the automobile industry, Mahindra Tractors. Here we are in Hyderabad to promote the concept of advanced technology in blade machining solutions, in turbine blades. You know, a turbine blade looks like this, right? And the steam turbine are made with companies like BHEL, Toshiba, Mitsubishi, Hitachi, Alstom and the like. And these steam turbines are made with so many blades. Every turbine has got thousands of blades, and steam turbine blades cannot be manufactured only with old technology. It's a very slow process, because to make one blade with old technology takes 3 hours. The same blade we can make in half an hour. Yeah, for example, I'm saying. So the productivity of our technology is so high, and more power generation is required in this country. I think there's a huge shortage of more than 200,000 megawatts of power in the Indian market, and this power generation requires a large number of turbines to be installed, and these turbines will have to be manufactured by companies like BHEL, and BHEL Hyderabad will be manufacturing more and more turbines, I'm sure. And therefore, the demand for blades, turbine blades, will be very high. This, you can see the aerofoil shape of a blade through which the steam flows, and then it rotates the turbine which generates a power. In this context, the number of blades manufactured by in-house by BHEL may not be enough. So they are constantly looking for suppliers in and around Hyderabad, and maybe in the other parts of the country also. Similarly, Mitsubishi, Alstom, Toshiba, Hitachi, everybody is looking for suppliers. And this supply chain is developed from MSME sector, medium, small and medium enterprises. And these MSME sector require a lot of support, hand-holding, training, service support, as well as application knowledge. So this is the job of Starrag Group, and together with Walter, cutting tools, we are going to the various markets in India. This is the first road show we are doing in Hyderabad, and we are happy to meet all of you. Thank you.